1. This isn't the first video you watched today, but it won't be the last one either. 2. You eat while watching YouTube. Any moment of presence that you can get by being outside, eating food, anything like that, YouTube just takes it away from you. 3. You already scrolled to the comments. You looked at the videos down on the side. 4. You have multiple tabs of different YouTube videos that you want to watch. 5. You can't count how many videos you already watched today. 6. You learn something on YouTube and just watch another video, forgetting about it. 7. Most of the videos you watch are entertainment things that don't really matter at all. It's just dopamine, fun chemicals in your brain. 8. You watch YouTube shorts, like multiple YouTube shorts, and you genuinely scroll on YouTube shorts. 9. You're subscribed to a ton of people but don't even watch their videos. 10. You've thought about making YouTube videos because you thought it was cool, but you never tried it yet. Even if it takes less than 5 minutes to make a video and publish it, you've never done it yet. 11. You have a pile of watch later videos, almost like you have a pile of, oh, I'll do this later stuff in real life.